I am so happy to officially announce that I'm now an affiliate for Crafted Supplies. So, what does that mean? That means when you shop with them using my link, I make a small commission. So, thank you for shopping with me and let me know if you need the link. Now, let's take everything out of the package and see what I got to play with. First off is a brush with a wooden handle. That'll be fun to engrave with my X tool. Then, ooh, cute little box. But what's inside? Let's open it up and see. It is a cheese knife set. Now, the nice thing about this one, I could engrave the metal or the wood handles, or both. What would you do? Now, remember, if you shop with Crafted Supplies, let me know. I will send you my link so that when you're shopping, not only are you getting great quality supplies for your laser engraving projects, I'm making a little commission. This is a cute little wooden box that is perfect for holding rings. It's got the little slot in there to keep them nice and safe and secure. I really love that Crafted Supplies has a variety of wood, metal, leather, and other products I can engrave. Like this wood-handled multifunction kind of Swiss Army knife. That could be fun, maybe a Father's Day project. Oh, this is really nice. It's a wooden cutting board. I actually have a friend who was talking to me recently about getting one of those engraved. We have a wine bottle opener. That's got a nice finish to that handle. I love that. Another style of bottle opener. So many options. This is really cute. It's a leather wallet ID holder that you can clip onto your lanyard so you have it nice and safe. Or you can even hook that onto your keychain. And then you just have your keys and your wallet all together. These are wood wine stoppers. I have to find some wine drinkers that need something personalized. This is another style of wallet. It's good to have options and varieties. All right, what's in here? I have to figure out exactly what this is. Oh, it's like a wallet money clip kind of combo. That's fun. I really hope you're getting inspired and seeing all the different project ideas. This is a little flashlight that you can hook onto a keychain. Here are some leather keychains. One is a strap that you can either put your keys on there and hold it around your wrist so you're not holding onto your keys. The other's a little clip. Next up is a wooden keychain. That's really nice. I do love that all of these products are good, high quality products. There's no cheap crap in here. Okay, this is just funny. Cute little sticker. This is a package of leather patches. You can engrave on these and then put them on a baseball cap or your favorite bag. This is really fun. It's an LED business card. So I could engrave it with my logo and then have it sitting on a display, and it changes colors for the lights, which is always fun. You can change the speed of the lights. I'm liking this way too much. I can't wait to engrave my logo for my website on there. We're getting down to the end. We have more patches in different shapes. That's great, giving you more and more options for your projects. And the last little thing is inside a cute little bag. So I have to open that up so we can see what's inside. And oh, it's a wood bottle opener. That is super cute. So I hope you found something that you like. Let me know if you need my affiliate link.